Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from a clean room at Forest Ridge Apartments. Today, what I want to talk to you about is my week and what we are planning to talk about this week in my uploads. Monday, I'm planning to do just like a relaxed one. Like show you guys my Monday after work schedule and working on like some radio frequencies. Just show you guys my latest radio frequencies I'm looking at. Currently looking at Ottawa County because honestly guys that's kind of that I think is really cool because they got their own radio system, okay? Plus, also to show you guys what I'm watching, it's about Microsoft's headquarters. I've been really like interesting, like learning about these different headquarters. I so far learned about Google. I so far learned about Facebook. I learned about Microsoft. And also let you guys know what's what's coming up on my videos. We are planning to make a different amount of bypass videos, and also we are planning to make videos about the different stuff in the United States. We're planning to make videos about coming up it, it, uh, if I mean like a good grade, I'll show you guys like on my trip with my mom, and we will be taking you guys like over to like wherever she plans, and then after that we are planning to talk about more about the different radio frequencies that are around the Indiana region. So my radio channel is pretty packed for this week. If you guys like radio frequencies and stuff and like trips. And also let you guys know what's also really interesting, what's about my radio frequency journey. I have also seen that there is like there's like a radio frequency on here for like the Ark Encounter. The Ark Encounter doesn't even want you to listen to their radio frequencies. So they made their very own trunk system. And in like Grand County, Kentucky, doesn't want you guys to listen to their radio frequencies. We did not know that. So, just give them a call and they can tell you. Plus there are a different amount of stuff you guys can look at. Like, like honestly, to give you guys like a rating of like all my stuff that I've looked at, there, I have looked at the radio frequencies in the different areas. We already looked at the radio frequencies in Oregon. We already looked at the radio frequencies in Central and U.S. We talked about a couple of frequencies here in Indiana. We talked about a couple of frequencies here in like the in New York. We also, and that radio station we're listening to is the home of the Cream and Crimson, Hoosier Country 105. But now what's next on my agenda? What I'm waiting to show you guys. It's like what my clean room looks like because I feel really excited about this, okay? That right there is my next shirt for tomorrow. And just to show you guys my outfit, I'm wearing my Air Force Museum. I made my bed. I made that area. Started to clean up that area. And in there, I got most of my laundry done. And also, I'm planning to make a new one of those. Coming up in my next couple of videos, I'll be showing you guys how to make like a schedule. Because I'll be working on Wednesdays, the schedule's going to be redeveloped. But once it does, I will let you guys know personally on YouTube about what my schedule looks like. So far, what my schedule looks like, I work on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I go to the Excel Center on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And also to let you guys know, my eat out schedule has changed, okay? My eat out schedule is now Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you guys look in my bathroom, it's all cleaned up. And also, I really am planning to talk about that right there. That Gatlinburg tips for power outage. Because Gatlinburg has a complete different area once they have a power outage, okay? Everything like shuts down, their power like shuts down. And in this, what we're watching, it's about Apple's headquarters. And I also have my windows closed because of a reason. I don't want the sunshine to get in here. And also to let you guys know, there is going to be a multiple amount of stuff coming up on my channel. So if you guys are not linked onto my community page, make sure you guys are, because there will be a lot more videos. There will be videos about radio scanners. There will be videos about my after work schedule. There'll be videos about my Excel Center experience. There'll be videos about different trips I go on. I'll be taking you guys on different trips. So I hope you guys are ready. So please make sure you guys are locked in on my channel. Okay, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video.